In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a high-converting landing page in Wix, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Wix makes it incredibly easy to design professional landing pages that actually convert visitors into leads or customers. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started using Wix Studio templates. If you're building a landing page for a product, service, email signup, or campaign, this tutorial will save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Wix Studio. Wix Studio is where you'll find advanced conversion-focused templates designed specifically for modern websites and landing pages. Once you're on the Wix Studio site, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main Wix Studio dashboard. From here, look for the option that says Explore All Templates and click on it. This will open up the full template library, where Wix organizes templates by purpose, including business sites, portfolios, and landing pages. Next, you'll want to filter the templates so you only see landing page designs. To do that, click on the category labeled Landing Page. This is a very important step because landing page templates are already structured for conversions, meaning they're designed with clear call-to-action sections, clean layouts, and focused messaging. Once you're viewing the landing page templates, take your time to scroll through the options. Look for a design that matches your goal, whether that's collecting emails, promoting a service, or selling a product. Don't worry too much about colors or images at this stage because everything can be customized later. When you find a template you like, click on it and then click Edit to start customizing it. After clicking Edit, Wix will begin loading the template into the Wix Studio editor. This can take a few moments, so just wait for it fully to load. Once the editor opens, you'll see your landing page layout with sections like the hero area, benefits, testimonials, and a call to action. This is where the real customization begins. Start by clicking on the main headline at the top of the page. This headline is one of the most important elements of a high-converting landing page, so make sure it clearly explains what you're offering and why it matters. Next, update the subheadline to support the main message and guide visitors toward your call to action. After that, replace the images with visuals that match your brand or product. You can upload your own images or choose from Wix's built-in media library. Then, customize the call to action button text. Instead of something generic, use action-focused text like Get Started, Sign Up Free, or Book a Call. As you scroll down the page, edit each section to match your offer. Update the features or benefits section to clearly explain what users get. If the template includes testimonials, replace them with real social proof if you have it, or remove the section until you do. Wix Studio allows you to drag, resize, and align elements easily, so feel free to adjust spacing and layout to make everything clean and easy to read. Once you're happy with the design, click Preview to see how your landing page looks on desktop and mobile. This is crucial because a high-converting landing page must look great on all devices. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your landing page live. And that's it! You've just built a high-converting landing page in Wix using Wix Studio templates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.